This is how you record your voice to reply discussion, okay? Just click reply, then you go right here, you click on this one. It says upload record media. You click right there. You have other options, but you're gonna do this one. And then right here you have the option to record. Click record. It's gonna show you video, but you don't want a video. So you go right here, you say no video, and then here you can start recording. Just recording. It gives you some countdown, and there you record. When you finish, you listen. If you like it, and there you record. And if you like it, you just click save, and it's gonna be posted there. And then you just click post reply, and you will have it right there. I'm not gonna. Well, okay, I can click and then delete it later. But there it's gonna be. So it's gonna have my name and my recording, and then the teacher's gonna see my comment or listen to my comment. So you're going to answer to the question and in a recording. All right. Okay. I'll see you in class. Adios.